Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a cooking video. The only ingredients you will need is, and these are like strawberry desserts, kind of like strawberry shortcake desserts. My grandmother taught me how to make this, so I decided, you know, why not share it with you guys. So all you're going to need is some strawberry pie filling. It doesn't really matter the brand. I got Duncan Hines, Cool Whip, and also these dessert shells, and you can get them from, and they have like the hole in the middle. They have a fat-free one or a sugar-free one, and they also have this one. This recipe is very quick, simple, and easy, and it's so delicious, you guys. But you can find this like in Walmart in the bakery section. So that's where I got this from, either Walmart or Publix in the bakery section. And as far as utensils, all you're gonna need is probably like a spatula of some sort and a plastic or either a regular spoon. The good thing about this recipe is the dessert shells already come in a container, so you can keep them in this container for storage, or either you can put them in like some Tupperware. Let's do that. So we're just gonna take it out of the plastic.
Been waiting on that sunshine, but you know I need that back. Don't do me like that, no one else gon' hit it like that. So I argue with you, yeah, but you take a nigga back. Who cares when it feels like...
These are actual strawberries. See that inside the thing. So add the strawberries to each pastry, and you don't want to overfill it, so like probably 2 strawberries per pastry. So I'm just gonna add them to where it doesn't fill, and you'll know, well, probably 3 will fit, but you'll know if it's too much.
What are you willing to do? I'll just say...
Literally, you can even make these and warm them up and eat them warm, but in my family we just eat them cold, and I'll show you guys how you can store them.
I'm willing to do, babe. I wanna kiss you.
And after you do this, you're gonna have a lot left over. So if you have a big family, that's a plus, because you can like do it for them. You can make more for them. It's a little bit much. Okay, so once you fill them up, you kind of want to just move it around in a circle like so. And spread it out so that it's evenly put in there. Now you're going to take the Cool Whip, and you can use as little or as much Cool Whip as you want. Just start off with like just putting like a dollop of it on there.
Been waiting on that sunshine, but you know I need that back. Don't do me like that, no one else gon' hit it like that. So I argue with you, yeah, but you take a nigga back. Who cares when it feels like crack? Girl, you know I always gotta do it right. Man, fuck my pride. Take it on back, take it on back, baby. Take it back all night. Take it all back, baby. Do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night. It hurt vibe, and I hurt inside when I look you in your eyes.
Like
What are you willing to do? Oh, just
this dessert is so bomb.